Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna do a video of a box showing what I got. Actually, I filmed an unboxing video for this one as well, but accidentally it got deleted. The footage got deleted. I was deleting previous footages from the camera and accidentally I deleted that one as well. So here I have to sit again and show you what all products I got. It won't be unboxing. My reaction won't be for the first time, I'm just gonna show you what I got. That's it. Let's get started with the box. So this is the Violet box, and this is the site basically is santasbox.in. There used to be Violet box before as well. I don't know that this is the same box or not, but it's not a period box for sure. That used to be a period box. So this is a normal white box with golden font over it, and their site as well, it's written here. Anyways, so let me just show you what I got in this box. The very first thing in this box, I got these rose petals by Innocent India, and it is 100% natural, and I can use it in teas, to brew teas, soups, and while tempering Italian and Indian vegetables, I can just put it in it, and it tastes like has hints of floral and apple sweetness and a slight spice undertone. So benefits of these rose petals are they're rich in vitamins, antioxidants, minerals, calms you down, enhances skin. Yes, these are the rose petals. Obviously I can use for my skin purpose as well, I can do some DIY face packs, I can use it in that as well. So yeah, these are basically dried petals of rose. So the second thing I got in this box is this La Blanc wine face wash. Yes, it sounds interesting, very interesting, at least to me, like wine face wash. So I would definitely try this out, and the amount of product I got here is 100 ml, that is 3.38 O's, and it retails for 499 Indian rupees, almost 500. There was no info card in the box. It was just one info card, and the only info card I got in this box is this one. It says welcome to the Violet Club. That's it. So there is no info card for the products. I'm just telling you the prices which are written on it. So there was no price written on the rose petals. So this one retails for 499 Indian rupees. Then I have one more product from the same brand, that is La Blanc, and this is apricot face scrub, and this is 50 grams of product, that is 1.76 O's, and again this retails for 499 Indian rupees. Then I got this Lady Madeline foot cleanser, and this is 125 ml, that is 4.2 fluid ounce, and yeah, this is the foot cleanser, and it retails for 349 Indian rupees. So yeah, it's very good for your pedicures if you want to just do it at your home. Then I got all these pouches. These are basically from Vedic Line Skin Masters, and all I got is hand and foot spa therapy pouches. I think they are like a pedicure manicure kit, just like you get facial kits, and these are pedicure manicure kits. They have like all these steps written on it, and you have to use accordingly while doing your manicure or pedicure. This is step number 1, that is spa cleanser. It removes odor and dirt. Then I have step 2, that is spa sugar scrub, removes dead skin and softens. Then I have step 3, which is spa cuticle nail cream, softens cuticle and make removal easily. Then I have step 4. Step 4 pouch was a little open, so it ruined the box. Whole of the box was filled with this. This is basically spa crystallizer jelly soak. It gives relaxation and removes mild tan. So it was like a salt, like a bath salt, and it was all over the box, and it's open. And yeah, so this was the step 4. Then I have step 5, which is spa decrystallizer. It soothes and softs. Then I have step 6, which is spa cream, heals and removes dryness. Then lastly I have step 7, which is spa gel pack. It protects and strengthens. So these are all these stepwise pouches, so I can do pedicure at my place or manicure at my place easily. Let me know if you want to see a video on it, like how I do pedicure using these pouches. And I can't see any price tag on them, so can't tell you how much they retail for. And lastly, I got this perfume. This is Piotr Poland Krakow perfume, and it smells really good. I just love the fragrance of this perfume. Like, it's just like my kind of perfume, so I really love this perfume. And this is 30 ml of perfume, and that is 1.01 fluid ounce. And yeah, that's the perfume. So that was all I got in this Violet box, July's Violet box. They have tons of subscription boxes on their site, on their website, so you can just check it out. Their 2 months subscription retails for like 1490 rupees, I guess. So yeah, you can just check out their website and you can just order accordingly what kind of box do you want for yourself. And yeah, that's it for the box and the video. I hope this video was helpful for you and you enjoyed watching this video. And if you're new to my channel, then click the subscribe button and also the bell button so that you can be notified for my future videos. And I hope you like this video, because this was not an unboxing. Unfortunately, it got deleted, but yeah. So that was it for the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.